Hello. So this is a quick and easy experiment that you can do with water crystals. Those are the crystals you add to gardens and things where you want to be able to have more water storage capacity. So this is a pothos plant. Against the back of that cabinet, I have a piece of foil to reflect some of the light that might come in the window. Helps this pothos grow a little faster. The main point of the experiment is that water bottle that I recycled and put water crystals into, and I basically just put the branch from the pothos plant or the vine of the pothos plant and let it sit in that container full of water crystals. And I notched the sides so that I can, get the vine in there a little bit deeper into the water crystals. And the two nodes, like I'm touching with my thumb, there's a node there and there's another node on the other side. I'm not sure if you can see it. Those two nodes are little air roots, and when they sense humidity, they form a root. And so the point is that they're in contact with these water crystals. Where my finger is another air root. And when they're near high humidity, they'll actually form a root and encourage rooting growth. And once I have a root, I can just remove this particular vine from the mother plant, and it should be able to get the water it needs. There's a better view. See the air root there. Anyway, this is a pretty easy process for cloning your pothos plant with those long vines. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.